The 8B students, good morning. Today we'll learn about the method to find the square root of number by division method. So before that we have to see that the number of digits in the square root we can find out. For example, you see square of 10 is 100, square of 31 is 961, square of 32 1024, and square of 99 is 9801. What you see here that the number 100 has 3 digits and its square root has 2 digits, 102 digits. Similarly, a square root of 961 is 31. The number of digits in 961 is 3 and number of digits in the in 31 is 2. Similarly, 1024 has 4 digits and its square root is 32. It has 2 digits. So what you see that the number, if a number has perfect square has 4 digits, its square root has 2 digits. Similarly, a number perfect square number has 3 digits, its square root has 2 digits. So what you see that the number of digits in the square root of a number having even number of digits, that then the number of a square root will be half of that even number of digit. If the number of digits in the perfect square is 6, its square root has 3 digits. If the number of digits in the perfect square is odd, we add 1 and then divide it by 2. We will get the number of digits in the square root. For example, if a number has 5 digits, its square root will have 5 plus 1, 6 by 2, that is 3 digits. So this is the method to find the square root. Now, the square root by division method, what we have to do that, first of all, from right side 4096, from right side to pair the digits 96 and 40. So 40, what you see that a number less than 40 or equal to it, which is perfect square, it is 36, which is the square of 6. So we take 6 and subtract 36 from 40. Again you add 6 to 6 and it becomes 12. And we take the next pair 96, so it becomes 496. So 12, after 12 we put digit 4 and multiply it by 4, we get 496, and subtract 496 from 496, it is 0. So a square root of 4096 is 64. So this is the method to find the a square root of a number. Now another number you can find the square root, but by division method, what you do, we have to pair from right side 729. So 29 is one pair and 7 is unpaired. So we take the square, perfect square, less than 7, it is 4. So it is the square of 2. So 2 we write left in the divisor 2 and the quotient also 2. We multiply 2 by 2 and write minus 4. Below 7 we get 3, 2, 3, and we take the another pair 29. So it is 329. Now 4, after 4 we put 7 and multiply it by 7, we get 3 is 29. So after subtracting it becomes 0. So square root of 7 to 9 is 27. Now what is the question that perfect square root by division method of the numbers, decimal number. So we find the square root by the same method, and what you do, we put decimal after 4. It is 617. So 17.64, square root of 17.64 will be 4.2. Similarly, square root of other numbers also you can find. Now another estimation, square root by estimation. Estimation means guessing. So if you want to find the square root of 25, we see that between which these 250 lies. So it lies the perfect square number 100, and between 100 and 400. So definitely square root of 250 will be between 10 and 20. Now it is not close value, so you see that 15 square is 225 and 16 square is 256. So square root of 250 will lie between 15 and 16. So it is very near to 16. So root 250 is approximately 16, near about 16, but not exactly 16. But we can guess and estimate up to the square root of 250 is equal to 16. We can estimate the square root of 80. So it is 9. Similarly, square root of 1000 you can find out. So now exercise 6.4 is there. Question number 1 is to find the square root by division method. So you can find by doing division method. Question number 2. So number of digits we have to find out. So first, the number of digits in the square root is 1. Similarly, for second 144, the square root is 12, that is number of digits is 2. Similarly, third 449, the number of digits is 4, so number of digits in the square root is 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. Next question also, we can find the square root of decimal numbers also. So as I told that by normal process we find the square root and put decimal as it comes. So this is the method to find the square root by division method, and other numbers. So